Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Crawford, Morrow, until 6 p.m. At 5:13 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 12 miles west of Chatfield to Cardington and moving east at 35 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Mount Gilead, Bucyrus, Sparta, Chesterville, Chatfield, Galion, New Washington, Crestline. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter inside now and stay away from windows. Now looking at